Okay, so this is a video on how to get the Appium up and running locally on your machine to run the automations. And if you need to change them or modify them, this is how you would do it. So the first thing is I open Xcode, and this is all listed in the documentation in these steps here, which is in the Ready QA Git repository README. So the first thing I'm going to do is open up this Appium WebDriver project. It's an iOS project, and when you install Appium, this will auto install. So there's instructions on how to do that. And then what you do is you want to come here, and instead of just run, you want to run this as a test. And this will fire up the simulator, and the simulator will have the WebDriver agent installed. So there it is. I actually need to get rid of this. Okay, so that's step one, is getting the Appium driver. Then there's the Appium server, which is also something you'll need to install. So the Appium server will open up, and this is the GUI. You could actually just run this from a command line as well. And so once the Appium server is up, you just hit start the server, and then that'll just wait for something to happen. And then the final piece is IntelliJ. I have the projects, I run them locally in IntelliJ. So just wait for this to open. And then this is the iOS project. We'll go ahead and open this. And as this loads, I'll just kind of go through it. The Smoke XML is the actual test that will run. There's two. And then the iOS base file, this has all the desired capabilities. So we're running iPhone 14 version 16.1, and the app we're going to test is ready.app. So when you build this out to test it locally, you need to build it as a .app file, which to do that, all you have to do is do a build for like an iPhone 14. So your build should match whatever's in your capabilities file for the local test. And then once that's ready, you just go ahead and click play on this, and this will spin it up, and it'll install the app, and it'll start testing it locally on the simulator. So I'll just run it for a second so you can see it.
Hi, welcome to Sharpen. We created this app to give you a better way to study.
And this test takes about
your title or course and
7 to 10 minutes to run full completion. Yeah, but this is basically how you get it up and running.